west. But I'm never good at maps or map directions. I know it's really bad, but you know, live and learn. Sat nav really, innit? But we don't have sat nav anymore because it's the apocalypse. So brilliant. So where am I then? I'm the church. Is that the church there? So I'm about here somewhere. So it'll be that way. Just up there. Let's just check this building out first, and then we'll make our way in the darkness to Green Mountain. And that's probably where I'm going to set up a little camp, a little refuge, because everyone comes in there. Everyone goes to Green Mountain. So hopefully there'll be safety in numbers there. What else am I thinking there? That was a colossal waste of time. And it's just slammed the doors on me. Thank you for that. Double whammy. Okay, so Green Mountain should be that direction. Should be that direction. Now do I want to... Oh! Oh, no way! Ah! Oh. Load ammo. Don't do what happened last time. I went unconscious. Right, quick. Before I go unconscious. I only just left as well. Quick. Get in there. Oh, god damn it. Panic. Use... It was only a scratch, it wasn't a bite. I have no water. I might have to get some water first. And I've run out of ammo. That's it. I've got no more ammo. Oh, what do I do? Where should I get ammo from? There's got to be a police station here somewhere, but then that risks more zombies. I just have to be a better shot. I should just stop being rubbish. Sorry, I just lost my bearings then. I need to get this way. I'm less rubbish than, you know. I don't know how I've survived this long, to be honest. And I don't know whether you can see, I am greyed out as well, because I had about 6 zombies. I went unconscious about 3 or 4 times whilst these zombies were mauling me. And I woke up last night. I woke up and I managed to roll, and they missed their last hits, and I managed to get time to get up and move, but I thought I was dead by that time, to be honest. And to be honest, I really should have been dead. I was very, very lucky. Police building's got to be here somewhere. Oh, there's another zombiloid. Oh, that's new. They've put the bell in it. Oh, god damn it. Are they going to go towards that noise? Have they done that yet in the game? Unless that's a human player ringing that. Oh, is this where the bell's been ringing? No. This police building better have magnum ammo, otherwise it's going to be a long trip to Green Mountain. Oh, there it is. Police building's here. Right, shut the door, shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. One. Pristine, okay. Don't need to worry about shoes. Ever since that ordeal with the shoes earlier on today. What's this? A buttstock. I wonder if I'll find some batteries in here as well. That's a plant pot I'm looking at. Batteries, SKS ammo, and Magnum ammo would be the one. Or a new gun. Let's get rid of that, because I don't have ammo for that. That doesn't even fit either. What a joke. Okay. Okay, we can use this gun. We just empty them, put them in there. Doesn't fit in there. Okay. Of course it doesn't. Of course it doesn't fit in there. Oh, there's another one. P1 pistol. Nope, I'm happy with what I've got. Defibrillator. Pretty useless when I'm on my own. Okay. Cool, look at all these shoes now. It's desperate for them ages ago. Hello. Oh, BB gun. Anyone fancy BB gun? Is that a tripod? Cooking tripod. Sounds good. Another gun in there. Is that another BB gun? Let's create some light in there. No, don't put it back in the bag. Shall I? There's room. Let's do it. Why not? And it works, so... yeah, why not? It's pink. Come on. Same as my Twitch. Les. Why pink? I have no idea. I'm a man. Right, what don't I need? Maybe the... I don't really need the paper, but do I need the steak knife that bad? I've got a hunting knife. No, I've got the machete. You know what? No. You know. No. We still haven't found the things I need. Hello? Is that the same one I've got there? Yeah, it's just got a cool little... Should I take the magazines with me? Do they fit in there? Nope. I'm always going to use the SKS, so... there's not really much point, really, is there? I can change the grade, but we'll stick with pink now. There's nothing else here, is there? Let's break that. Let's keep it in my hands. Now it's rave time. Alright, see if I've missed anything. And it looks like... Guys. 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 That is what I needed. I needed that so bad. Ah, that makes up for blowing up that petrol station now. I've found the ammo. And I would have missed it if it weren't for this light. So what else did I miss? More shoes. Oh, hello. MP5. I'm not seeing them like one of the little machine gun bits. I'm not good with guns. Names and that, but you know, I know that's a machine gun and I know it's pretty good. It's something you get in Battlefield, you know. What's this? Hello. AK-47? An AK-47? Really? I don't have ammo for it though. Doesn't fit in there. Right, okay. What do I need? 5.4 times 3.9. Can I fit that in my bag? Nope. Of course you can't. Do I want an AK-47 or do I want my SKS? I want my SKS, obviously. Obviously I want my SKS. But there is an AK-47 there if I want to. Something here, and I'm showing up like a lighthouse, literally, at the moment. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I think it's going to be time to head to Green Mountain. I need to get some water though, I guess. Might use my pink. My little pink gun. Whilst they go out. What's that on the floor there? What is that? Bones. There's bones on the floor. Just a pile of bones. What has happened in here? Something horrible must have happened. It'll be a massive risk going out without water. Unless I find a pump. Oh, you know what? I thought I was going to be really lucky and find one here, but no. Doesn't look like I'm lucky. I swear there is one here somewhere. Thank you. Or maybe it's over there. Somebody's died here. More SKS rounds. Don't mind if I do. Oh, there's no space. What do we get rid of? The paper, obviously. Somebody's died here. Black tracksuit jacket. Oh dear. Is that... .357R. For a second I thought that was the rounds I needed. Pristine SKS. Pristine SKS, okay. RIP, man. One sec, guys. Oops. Right, I'm back. In the search for water. There's gotta be water up here somewhere. I'm pretty sure there is, actually. I can smell it. I can DayZ smell the water. Ah, I thought that was it. I thought that was it. Ah, goddamn. Ah, goddamn it. Little zombiloid. See if I can sneak past it this way. Oh, there's another zombiloid there. Goddamn zombies. You zombie son of a bitch. There's another one there. I'm gonna have to dispose of this one. Hey, my aim is so bad. Come on, get closer. Come on. You know you. Oh, maybe we can just sneak past it. Hey, K-Pinjo, thanks. Glad you like. Remember to hit the follow. I know you guys are following. But, it would mean a lot. This is my only second day of streaming, so it's only gonna get better, guys. Only gonna get better. I really want to play football now. Let's play football with the zombies. Shall we have a zombie versus humans football match? It'll just be like a Luis Suarez football match. If anyone gets football. Oh, no, 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 no. Really? Am I dead to them? Double tap. Okay, let's see if there's any water in here. How's your stream going, KP? The big KP. If you got the sound on now. Oh, what's this behind there? A chair. Great. Come on, water. Give me some water. Ah, you know what? If someone was around, we could have done that. You know, we could have healed me. Doesn't look like there's water around here. Okay, let's head back this way. Let's go to Green Mountain. Start a fire. And oh shit. Oh, what? Load ammo. Load ammo now. Load ammo now. What ammo did it use? Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't laugh, guys. It's terrifying. There's as if you took a hit on me as well. What's going on outside? Something's going on outside. People cheering outside. I hope they're not cheering my channel outside, are they? I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but sorry about that. There's just some organised cheering going on outside. Lovely. You know what, this building might have water. I've got high hopes for this building in front of me. It's fine, we're on our way anyway, so... How did I even get in this mess? Like, as soon as I turned this on this morning, everything was fine. And now, I'm on the run again. Oh no. No water. Okay. Don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. I'm gonna get thirsty sometime soon though, which is a bugger. Anyone play this? No? Where the nearest water pump is? I'm at Cherno. Anyone know? Anyone plays this that's watching right now? Does anyone know? Give me a hand. I'll love you forever. I'll give you I'll give you a hug via the Twitch channel. There's normally some water in these places. But I need a water pump. Well, that'll do. It's better than nothing. Oh, there's two as well. Oh. Error putting item in your hands. This game is so legit. Okay. There's a pump across the road. Here? This way? Opposite the fire station, petrol station, I guess. Hang on. Search for berries. I will do that. I will search for berries in the middle of the night in the apocalypse. I found nothing. Okay, of course. Of course you didn't. Maybe it's in one of these garden houses. Yes! Thank you, someone! You little edge. We are ready to go to Green Mountain. Let's fill these up. It's time to get horribly lost. Yeah. Nope. Get rid of that in my hands. Use the pump. And we're good to go. Right. We are ready. We are ready to go. Let's get the kampai. Into hands. Now I need to go northwest, so I need to go that way. It shouldn't take me long at all, and then I'll just rest there, stop there. And then that's it, done. My character is finally where I want it to be. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ain't stopping for no zombies. Nine times out of 10 I go off course, so if you guys see me going off course, let me know. I'm going northeast. Serious. No wonder I get lost. North west. Oh, hang on. So that's north. I need to go there. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oopsie. Okay, we're going the right way now. I think. Okay, just keep that in my hands just in case. About there. It's about this way. It's about there. Just get up this hill. Thank you, Pud74, for following me on Twitch. Much appreciated. Whoa. That's my little laugh there. It's just come up on my little email. Right. Little tower there. Okay, so I was playing DayZ one time, and I wanted to go to Green Mountain, and I ended up going from north to that tower there, not knowing how close I was to like civilization. Ended up going back on myself, back into the woods. Big mistake. Ah, it's a super much. Oh no, let's not stop. Let's not stop. We don't need to stop. We need to get a Green Mountain. Oh Jesus Christ! Look at all the zombies. Let's lose them. Let's lose them through here. This is all new. I don't think I've seen this yet. I think this is all new for me. Oh God! Oh my 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 God! Okay, okay, I've got to do this. Oh, I'm dealing with it with a compass. Right, come on. Right, okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, really? Don't die. Oh my God. I'm stuck! Ah! I'm bleeding. Okay. Time to get the beast out. And now that's run out of ammo. Okay, the SKS. Save my life, SKS. My leg is in pain. That's all my ammo gone. Oh my God, they're completely ruined. Oh shit. This might be the end. Oh shit. Okay, don't worry. Don't panic. Just don't panic. Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic. Don't die. Don't die. Oh my god. It's okay, you're not panicking. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's fine. Don't worry, it's fine. It's not like you've lost a lot of blood last night either. Oh my god. Oh my god, I could do with a beer right now. I'm never gonna find something in a supermarket, am I? Do I just head back to town? Is that the best idea? Is there gonna be anything in here? I need a rag. There's no point. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. Again. Horrible. Oh, zombies. I'm gonna die horribly. Horribly, horribly. Come on, don't go unconscious now. Stay alive. You've got... Ah! Wake up. Wake the hell up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up. Fuck. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Oh my god, oh my god. Come on. Don't say you were dead. Just wake up. Can I rip any of my clothes I've got? I don't think I can. I died. Oh my god. I'm genuinely gutted. That character has stayed with me for weeks. Okay, enough of the roleplay server now. Oh god damn it. R.I.P. R.I.P. Goodbye, Max Volcano. You were great. Looks like we're just gonna have to go on a standard server, I guess.